Hello. Did you know that according to the Environmental Protection Agency, every year Americans cut down 900 million trees for our paper products, 28 billion plastic bottles are thrown away, and 25 billion styrofoam cups are thrown away? These will stay in a landfill for up to 500 years. All of these things are recyclable, but by not doing so, it's harming our Earth's environment, animals, and humans. Our animals are now eating our plastic garbage, which is hurting their internal organs and killing them. The main reason why we need to recycle is because it reserves our resources. The more we recycle what we use, the less new products we have to make. It actually takes more energy to produce new products than recycling them, and there will be a less demand for landfills, which will help create a healthier environment. To solve this problem, we need to recycle as much as we can. Almost anything is recyclable, including paper, plastic, metals, food, glass, and taking your clothes and shoes to the Salvation Army is also considered recycling. To give you a better perspective of this, if we all recycled as many paper products as we can, the outcome would be that we would have more trees because we wouldn't have to cut down as many. We would also have more space for our wildlife, and as many of us know, plants and trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which will give us cleaner air. We will also have cleaner water because there will be less garbage in landfills and outside on the ground, which will give us a less chance of having it in rivers, lakes, and oceans. As I said earlier, there will be less landfill space, which is healthier for people and animals. Something interesting to think about is that according to the Hershey Chocolate Company, in one day they used 133 miles of aluminum foil to wrap approximately 20 million Hershey Kisses. So if each person had one Hershey Kiss and they all ate it, and then they crumbled up the little foil and threw it away, it doesn't seem like a big deal, but when you actually think about the big picture, it is, because it's 133 miles of aluminum foil altogether, which is a huge waste. There are many things we can do to recycle. The biggest thing we should do is recycle plastic water bottles. They're man-made, they do not decompose, and they are not biodegradable. Another thing we can do is buy reusable water bottles because you don't have to throw them away. Food is something else that we can recycle. You can throw away old vegetables and fruits and banana peels, moldy bread. You could put it all together in a container outside and it will turn into compost. And then you could throw it on your garden or out in the woods and it will be healthy for our environment. You should shut off your lights and electricity when you're not using it. Shut off your lights and electronics when you're not using them to save your electricity. The energy that we use to produce the electricity actually pollutes our air, so we would have cleaner air if we saved it. We should try not running our water as much because a lot of people like to brush their teeth with the water on, which the clean water goes down the drain and it's just wasted. This may seem like little things that you do that won't really help, but if we all recycle together, it will make a big difference for our environment. So everyone remember to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Thank you.
Good job.